Good morning, P1 students. Today is Monday and it's the 8th of June 2020. So today our learning target is I can understand more about push and pull. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's read. Please read with teacher. Ready? Are you ready? Learning target. I can understand more about push and pull. So we already learned before that push is when you put things away from you and pull when you pull things closer to you, right? So today we are going to have a story, a very short story about push and pull. And also in this video, you are going to see your assignment. So there are 5 questions that you are going to answer at the end of this video. All right, so please get ready and we're going to start. Okay. So here, as we can see, this is push and this is pull. So here, pushes and pulls, forces and motion. But what is motion? Let's take a look. So motion, so look at this. This is the sun, this is the earth, and this is the moon. So motion makes the world go round. Motion makes the moon go round too. In fact, motion makes lots of things go. When we think of motion, we can often think of cars, bicycles, kids running, basketball bouncing, and airplanes flying. But motion is so much more. Motion is important to our lives and impacts so many things that we do. Motion is the changing of position or location. So here, motion is that change of position and location. But motion requires a force to cause the change. So there should be a force in order for a thing or we or the cars or the airplanes to change from one location or position. So let's learn about force and motion and the effects of these physical laws in our world. Now for our next slide, we are going to see and understand more about force. What is force? So a force, a push, or a pull is an action that can change the shape, size, and motion of an object. So again, force is like when we want to move objects or things from one place to another. All right, so now it's time for us to read a story. Okay, so the farmer tied, so here is the tractor, here is the car, and this is the rope, and this is the pond. A pond is a small portion of water. So the farmer, so here is the farmer who works in the farm, tied some rope to the tractor and the car. Pull, 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 said Harry. So Harry is the name of the farmer. So the tractor pulled, let me get this one out. So the tractor pulled, hold on, maybe you cannot see this if you have this. So the tractor pulled the car out of the pond. So here, what's the name of the farmer? It's Harry, right? And then what did he use to pull this car from the pond? He used some rope. And why do you think that the tractor, with the help of the farmer, pulled the pulled the car from the pond. What do you think? I think that the car is stuck in the pond. Very good. So what force did the tractor use in order to get this car out of the pond? Is it push or is it pull? All right, so again, let's read the story one more time, and this time I want you to read with me. So the farmer tied some rope to the tractor and the car. Pull, 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 said Harry. The tractor pulled the car out of the pond. Very good. So for your assignment, you are going to answer these 5 questions. So number 1, what is the name of the farmer? So you are going to write it in your notebook, or you can type directly. You can message me your answer, okay? If you don't want to, write it on the notebook. And then number 2, what did he use to tie the tractor to the car? Number 3, why do you think that the car needs to be pulled? Why do you think? Why the farmer needs, or the tractor needs to pull the car out of the pond? And number 4, what force did the tractor use? Is it push or is it pull? And the last question is, what do you think will happen if the tractor pushes the car? What do you think if instead of pulling it, the tractor is pushing the car? So there are possible answers, right? So that would be all for today, and make sure you answer the questions, and you can write it on your notebook, take a picture and submit to teacher, or you can just type your answer directly you can message me the answer, okay, privately. And because you are so good today, I want you to give you, wow, 3 stars. Good job. That would be all for today, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.